Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Maxspeeding coilovers for the Legacy. So let's see what this looks like. This thing is dull. So basically you just come in a regular brown box. Well, it's packaged really nice. Let me set you guys down for a second. Mine, this is the one with the adjustable damper. Just from here, you just turn it. I guess I gotta reset that back on the car. I think this is it's a pillow ball setup. Yep. It looks good. All right, let's move on to the wheels. Okay, this one is not pillow ball, it's just a solid with a rubber. The bushing looks good. Looks like polyurethane. What it looks like. The treads are nice. You can see that. All right. So I'll show you guys what needs to be done to get to the bolts to the top before I jack this car up. See, this lifts up and slides out like this. Side panel pops out like that, like that. This whole foam piece supposed to come up, and then there you go. That will be the bolts on the top for the rear shocks. So I'm gonna drop this car up and start pulling these shocks out. So I've got the car and jack stands. I'm doing the left side first. So we gotta pull this bolt right here. It goes from this side straight through. So we're gonna need a 19mm wrench and a socket. So one you could hold this side and pull this side. But my car is kind of rusty underneath, so might be, yeah, it might not come out that easy. Oh, so that's where you pull to release the bottom of the shocks. And then you pull these two right here. Alright, so I'm gonna get this done and show you the finished product. Alright guys, I just ran into a problem. I rounded this nut up, so I'm gonna try to grind it, then I'm gonna try to pull it off. I already found a replacement nut, so I'm gonna try to grind this nut off so until it loosens up, and try not to touch the thread for the bolt. I need some protective glasses. So basically that is what I'm going to be doing. I'll grind it down until it's kind of start to separate, then I'm going to screw the nut off. Alright, so I'm here at the front. I gave the back a break because it's giving me a rough time, so I just went on to the front. So here's the speed sensor, the brake line. They're old by 212s. I already loosened them. I already took the bolt out from the knuckle that holds the strut. I loosened up here, so now I'm gonna put the coilovers in. So be right back. Okay, so I got the coilovers in. This bracket here for the speed sensor is okay. The one for the brake line is kind of too far back, so when it's, see, it's getting stretched. So what I might be doing is try to bend it towards, bend it towards me coming this way to see if I could get the tension to loosen up so I could bolt it up. When you install the coilovers, come on, focus. Alright, so when you install the coilovers, make sure that the max speeding is facing you right here. So, because if you could install it wrong and this section right here will be facing this way, and then the wheel will be pushed forward. So make sure the camber adjusters facing towards you when you're standing at the side of the car. So I'm gonna finish buttoning this up and jack the front down so you guys will see how it looks. Alright guys, so I got the rear shock back on. See, I had to cut the nut and then try to pull it. The other side I heated with the torch and I pulled that one fairly easy. So this side is okay, so now I need to find a nut and a washer for the other side. So far the back been straightforward when putting it in. The only problem I see, well, it's not with the coilovers, it's with the interior panel. This side is kind of hard to catch the bolts right there, and you're probably gonna have to cut this area right here out so you could get to the adjuster. Same for the other side. So I'm gonna have to make a notch right here so we could get to the adjuster with the Allen key. So next time this car should be on the ground on all fours. Alright. What's up guys? It's the next day. I got the coilovers on. I'm about to show you what they look like. I have already driven the car. It doesn't feel too bad. Front is nice. The back is a bit bouncy, but I think I need to adjust the stiffness on the coilovers in the rear. But I'm gonna show you how it looks right now. I haven't adjusted nothing. I just tightened up the coilovers, the collars, and put them on just as how it came in the box. And this is how it looks. You can see, got a nice, well, almost 2-finger gap in the rear. That's a 2-finger gap. So this is the ride height of the coilovers straight out the box. The front feels really good when going over bumps. The only problem I have with it is that it's like you hear a thumping noise like toop, but I'll speak more on that in the review video because I've driven BCs and D2s, but these coilovers could be comparable to the street series Godspeeds. Alright. Put you guys down for a sec. Alright. As you can see here, I was wondering how to adjust this here, but then I looked in the bottom of the box and I saw this right here. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. I already loosened them up so I could readjust them. I greased up the pillow ball because it was kind of making like a squeaking noise. I greased it up, it stopped. go to the back. So as I was saying, this is the back. So here needs to be cut. I know I said this before, but it needs to be cut so I could get to the adjuster here, because I think the back is too soft, so that's why it's bouncing so much when it goes over bumps. But reviews and drivability coming soon. I'll get some better visuals of the car when I have more space, so I could step away from it and let you guys see how it sits on a flat surface. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Peace out.